Unbelievable. This game took me only 11 minutes and 43 seconds to build using Google Antigravity. Was the whole thing happen in real time?
Finally, we got something competitor of the cursor and the winds up. This is the Google Antigravity, which is provide us the ID with the AI. So now let's use it. I already installed it from here. We can just give the prompt whatever we want to build. So now I want to create a game. So let's create. So here let's create the 3D game with never and less running or objects. So now here you can see we just got the prompt now started the working. So first it is work as a project manager. It's just providing the what will be a scope and what's need to do, what will be a framework and what's we need to do in the implementation, what will be a project setup. Now that was completed. Now here we can see acknowledge the workweek status of what would be a restriction and what would be a configuration. Now here you can see all of the doing. Now it's asking to set me this up. What it say, add the following directory as your active workspace. So we just need to copy and paste it here. Now we can say mkdir. Now it's created. What is saying, I see the directory has been created, however I am currently unable to run the command in the file because it is not set as the active workspace. Range, open the folder. Okay, let's open the folder. Now from here we can continue our chatting. Okay, let's go to that 3D game. Let me see, it is opened now. Yeah, we can say. Then you can proceed. You can close this. Yes, yes. Now it is started with the project setup. As you can see, it's added the index HTML package JSON file and the public SVG. Install the node. Now we can see the basic. It has started. Okay. So now it's now really started to build the app. Or just install the npm. Now we can see it's generating the head. Installation has been completed. Okay, oh, it's analyzing. Okay, oh, we will just approve the all of the changes. Saying the Model quota existed. Let's choose another and say continue. Okay, now we can accept all. We just changed some of the CSV file. Now what is doing? I'm just now focusing on implement the core game logic. I'm building a robust system starting with clarity, defined game stage management, start playing and game over. Play controls will be enabled smoothly and switching between left, center and right. Also in progress in the world as for obstacles. Okay. Again we're gonna accept all. Okay, it's confirmed today. Now carefully retrieve server. Let's see. Okay, so basically we have, now we can go to this one and start the game. Okay, oh great. Okay, again. Oh, bad luck. Really, this is the cool thing. We can just build the app in the minutes. Yeah. Oh, oh. Okay. Let's go back and ask to add some sound. Let's have some sound and some life as three lives option. If user is if user is what we can say is got out, then should have some life. Let's add it. Okay. Okay, it's adding some sound effects. Now let's accept it. Meanwhile, we can see is there any changes or not. Let's change it to 4. Okay, so we can see the lives has been added. On the left side, we can see the scores. For the sound I have added or not. Let me check once we got out. Okay, let's go back to the accept all. It's just creating. I just have another suggestion. We can add coins as well. Add some coins or something which we can collect, and it should be also show in the counts. Well, it's a sound effect has been added. Let's go and play. Okay, you may hear the sound when we are jumping. We have get the beep. Okay, for that, oh, when we are getting out, we also get the sound. Yeah, oh, cool thing. Okay, now you can see on the left added the coin option, which is just in the implementation. Once it implemented, we can see the coins as well. Meanwhile, let me play some game. Oh, really, I'm not good at playing this one. Now we can accept all. Okay, so it's developing the coin mechanism. Okay, let's accept all. It's getting the error. Agent execution terminated due to error. Agent model. Let's try again. Here we can say try again. As I got this error, Control C, Control V, which might be some of the developer does. Okay, okay, so it's saying added the some of the feature gold coins, collection, counter, sound, and the game over. Okay, let's start again. Okay, here you can see. Oh, wow, wow. Okay, here you can see I have collected 36 coins and score was 1178. So this is the just a basic game we have created. Now we will try with some of the basic web app or something in the next part. Thank you for watching.